Yo, I'm using the front facing camera. I'm gonna close the windows. Hold on. Okay. So this look after that is going to be my sugar baby story actually. And I want to preface this by saying I did the whole sugar baby thing because I just wanted money. It was at a point where I couldn't really pay my rent. My mom was helping me a lot with my rent and my utilities, and I just really felt defeated. And like depression was like it was kicking me easily. So yeah, so I downloaded some seeking arrangement, and which other one? Fillmore. I don't even remember them. I wrote in my whole to like, and the Elite Singles, I think it's called. I think so. I think so. Yeah, I think so. I think so. So yeah, so I did that, and but I recognized that it was just not for me because I kept on loving people. I almost thought that like, okay, bitch, listen, we're just gonna scam them, get these niggas, get the money. You never really work out the way my love. I meet this one guy named is it a Martin or Marvin? He was African American. He has amazing eyes, and we just started talking, and then we just stopped, and it just never mattered to me. This one link up to blood cleanse. This one white man in the have one accent to that was like real sugar baby stuff, not like I did like yeah one and dine, and they give me $100 for one it was during quarantine obviously. I remember they give me $100 for go for one day, one virtual day, my love. Your girl bills and has to blood cleanser bills I can start with some things quick and fast, you see it. But it never happened. It's just I just like after a while it just fizzled out because I'm a spontaneous individual and I'm quite aware that I'm a spontaneous individual, but that doesn't take from the fact that I am also very cognitive and I'm aware of what I'm doing. So I was like, no, it's me. So that was like my little sugar baby stuff. Now what I wanted to tell you guys, shit, now I got the bottom like, I want to tell you guys about this tattoo right here. Remember him? So this is Sir Noble. This is his name in, I think it's Japanese or Chinese. It means noble. If I'm wrong, let me know. But yes, it means noble. And yeah, he was the very first individual to make me know Simokuda. Get a bucket, get a mop, get a literally mop. I had no idea. I had no idea I could do that. None whatsoever. And even in finding that out, that kind of triggered me as well. Because I'm like, bro, it's been 7 years. 7 years and not even that, brother. Not even that you could have even figure out. Not even that you could have figured out. I just felt really like cheated. Sorry, I was scratching my skin. I felt really cheated. I felt like just like just discarded. I felt discarded. Like I didn't matter because yep, you know what I mean. Because it's because I never did mess around. I did not know that I was missing out. So as far as I'm concerned, this is it. Good stuff and quality and all these things, and I'm so blessed and then and the reason why it's a little bit triggering too because I'm thinking about how I would compliment him and I'm like, bitch, there's no compliment to be had, and it unfortunately put me into the frame of mind as well of just never care, isn't it? So yeah, to him, very first one from my nose that I could do that. I didn't even know I kept on apologizing because I didn't even know what's happening. I was like, I'm sorry, I'm missing me out. Number one, and I'm like, I'm sorry, and him laugh, and I said, I don't know, I'm sorry, because I didn't know I'm in my 30s, you guys. My 30s, and I don't know what that is or feel like. So say no, some now watch porn. So say, oh, that's what I say. No, some now watch it. So our relationship was really, really, really special. Like we genuinely loved each other. We encouraged each other. He's a mechanic and I'm using. He's a mechanic. He's just extremely talented, isn't he? So yeah, but you know, fizzle out. But I'm in charge now. Like I'm a nigga. If I'm not gonna violate, obviously, me not violate. So like I'm a charge, now. What else we can tell now? Hold on, let me think again. I've had so many sex exploitations. One thing this made me realize though with being single, or separated, not being married and separated, is your sex drive goes through the roof, and I did not know it. I was not told. And then because I was just with one partner for so long, I just thought that I had either no sex drive or just an average sex drive. So when my you know, like after one kind of your sex drive kind of dissipated, like it went down. When it went down, um, I kind of leveled out and recognized that it's an activity that I genuinely enjoy, and I didn't know that. And that's why I'm grateful for each step that I am. I'm grateful for each blunder, mistake, whether it was accidental or deliberate, because I tell you, we do make decisions, isn't it, whether in the heat of the moment or you know it's delayed, but we do make decisions, and bad decisions as well. So yeah, I enjoyed it because I want to find out about me sexually, isn't it, even with masturbation. I always thought that if you masturbate, you're going to hell. If you partake in all sex, you're going to hell. Hell, I think God said, you're eating the you hell. And that is why every time I speak, Mr. Gonna give for them suches, not crutches, because you have to understand that's where I'm coming from. On my toes, Cassie nailed it. Ooh, they're white and light. Look at the contrast. I mean, Cassie nailed it, completely killed it, dead it. But yeah, I enjoyed it. It's an activity I really enjoy. Oh, my first time with a girl. Oh my god. Okay. So I really do prefer guys because I couldn't get lubricated how I would like with a guy. Like I just kept on wanting like a guy. You know what I mean? So yeah. So it's, I don't know why I got so excited. Like that's it. I tried it because I was curious, and then I was wondering. I said maybe because there wasn't any like sexual attraction because she's my friend. So I'm like maybe it's because there wasn't really any sexual attraction while I wasn't completely like immersed and you know and everything. I don't know. I don't know. Which brings me to the another subject of like even homosexuality, because when I look at like us as humans, we are so beautiful, and I'm like, I can see it. I'm seeing some women, I'm like, she could get it, and I do not have a thingy, ding dong, or just, oh, she looks good. You know what I mean? I feel like those reactions are normal. They can be sexualized, obviously, but like those reactions are normal. So I feel like even certain things we sexualize and we shouldn't because they're normal, you know. But yeah, that's it for this. Is a lyric after dark. It's really after dark, and I'm really proud. It is November 7th. I am happy. I can get these up and out for you guys, and because I don't edit my lyric after darks, they are 100% unedited, and that's what I love about my lyric after darks. They're just like real me, isn't it? I had a couple drinks, and to me, I'm intoxicated. To you guys, I'm probably just good. Yeah. I appreciate you. Oh crap. Oh, okay, cool. So I appreciate you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you to my new subscribers. Oh my gosh, hi, thank you. You are tuned in and locked in. If you subscribe, that means that you vibe with me, you gel with me, If you've commented, I truly appreciate you for putting yourself out there, because commenting it is a bold move, and I appreciate all of you, and that's why I try my hardest to respond to each and every one of you. Yeah, I love you guys. I love you, Auntie Mumsy Wumsy. I am royalty. Um, oh my goodness, Jody, Diva, one Diva, um, Dyra Grant, Kwani, my baby, um, Taiwani. I know you're watching, Taiwani. I love you. I love you. Her and I had a really amazing heart to heart, and she's just somebody I met off of Instagram, you guys. I genuinely love reaching out to you, which is why I do think you guys understand how important it is for Puma to just kick right the F off, bro. Like, kick right the F off. And I'm going to just tell you guys I'm done. So I tell you guys I'm going to have some limited edition ones, and we're going to have some nice colors. We're going to have 4 colors, and each color going to be a limited amount. And when those colors are sold out, we're not going to bring those back. That order is going to be, after that order, you're going to see marketing like you've never seen before. After that order, I don't know how I said it in the voiceover for that tutorial, but I'm telling you guys, no, if I made a mistake, I'm correcting myself. After that order has been sold out, the special edition ones, you are going to see marketing, a Jamaican marketing. I want to put us on the map on every sphere. You see me, I love how Bob Marley did for music. Oh, Lord keep her safe. How Spice did for dancehall, Jada, I'm a huge fan. Make a huge fan of those too. Rihanna, oh my god, Nicki Minaj, is to make them do it, and I want to put us on the map. Shelly them do it for sport, Sharon do it for the man and for music, is my Massacre do it, is like them man they do it, brother, and I want to do it as an entrepreneur. I want that for us. I want to create amazing jobs for us, and recognize the people them who are going to work on the job them. I demand them on the streets, brother, because brother will never choice, Brother, them the mind kicking, I see how we can deal with that thing that I just deal with it grimy or whatever, you see me? So that work ethic is what I want to focus on and kind of normalize. But I'm going to go, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this Look After Dark. I'm using the crappy ring light, low one. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Happy November 7th, and hopefully the next video will be another tutorial. Then I could do another lyric after that, but that one's going to be like all made up and cute and stuff. And then hopefully I can do a beats and the Bible. So hopefully I can do 3 videos tomorrow. Alright, so bye guys.